Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be swatching the new collection from MJ Lacquer. It's a 5-piece collection. This is called Let the Good Vibes Flow collection. We need all the good vibes we can get. This collection will launch on Saturday, July 18th. So if this video goes up the day before and you pop over there and you're like, oh, they're all sold out, oh, they're already gone, it's because they haven't launched yet. A lot of times these indie makers will list them on their site in preparation for the launch date. So don't get panicked. They don't launch until the 18th. Launch date is Saturday, July 18th at 9 a.m. CST. Customers will receive 15% off through Wednesday, July 22nd. So if you want a discount on these already great priced polishes, then, you know, get in on that deal. Here we go. We're going to get started, and this very first one here is called Let the Good Vibes Flow. And it is a purple neon base with gold metallic micro flakies, gold shimmer, and gold flakies. Stunning. This is absolutely my kind of polish right here. Love it. The next one we've got is Live Your Best Life. And this one is described as a pink neon base with red, gold, green color shifting flakies and a violet, pink, and gold UCC flakies. Look at that. Loving it. The next one we have is called Happiness Starts With You. Sorry, out of frame. Happiness Starts With You is described as a white base, but there's so much in here that you can't even see the white. To me, this is a peridot base. So it's with peridot metallic micro glitters, a lime gold galaxy micro glitters, and lime blue gold UCC flakies. This one was a surprise favorite. I am in love with this. I'm in love with all of them. This collection blew my socks off, y'all. This next one is called Be the Change. Now, Be the Change is a holographic teal jelly with lime gold galaxy glitter and pink, green, and gold crystal chameleon flakes. I about lost it when I put this one on my nails. First coat, I was like, ooh. And then the second coat, I was really out of my head with it. It's gorgeous. And then lastly, we've got If Life Is So Blue, Select Another Color. This is such a fun polish. This one is perfect for summer. And it's a yellow neon base with red to purple shimmer, an assortment of color shifting flakies, and a gold galaxy micro glitter. That's fabulous right there. Stunning. So on to the swatches. Alrighty, so we're going to hop right in, and I'm sorry that the footage is a little blurry on this frame, but I promise it's going to get better here in just a minute. Just a few seconds, actually. So this is Let the Good Vibes Flow, and it's that purple neon, and the gold metallic flakes in it just sets the bar, man. I'm telling you, this is such an unusual polish and so pretty. I got a little flaky sticking off the end. I got to tap that down. All right, here we go with our second coat of Let the Good Vibes Flow, and I am in love with this one. It's just so squishy. And it's got that extra going on. Love it. And here is a swatch photo with some top coat and nail art. And next we're going to get into Live Your Best Life. Now, I knew this one was going to be a favorite, even straight out of the package. You guys know I'm a sucker for these kind of pinks. And look how much yummy goodness she packed into this one. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. And there's a swatch photo with top coat and nail art. And next up we've got Happiness Starts With You. And this really was a surprise favorite. It's such a pretty peridot. I love it. And then flakies. You guys know I've got a weakness for the flakies. To me that just screams, yes please. I love this one. And the formulas on these are really nice. I didn't have any problems with application. I didn't even hardly make a mess. And here's the swatch photo. course, with nail art and top coat. And then next we've got Be the Change. And this one is so squishy. The depth when it builds up is just crazy. I mean, it looks beautiful in one coat. I love it. But look at the second coat. And if you did 3 coats of this, oh my goodness, I can't even imagine. I just did 2 because I was happy with 2. Look at the gorgeousness. And there's my swatch photo for Be the Change. And then finally we've got If Life is So Blue, Select Another Color. Now this squishy yellow is insane. The flakies in it are just phenomenal. I'm telling you, even if you don't like yellow, I think you would like this one. Look at that flaky payoff. Insane. So I will have a link for MJ Lacquer down below, as always. And I want to thank you for watching and all that good stuff. You know, I'm trying to get everything in before this clips out on me. So I hope you enjoyed these. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.